Hey everyone, thinking about buying a new drill? Awesome! But with so many options out there, it can be overwhelming. Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we are going to take a look at 6 things to consider when buying a drill. First up, power. So you've got your corded drills, beasts of power, great for continuous use. But let's be honest, sometimes you need that freedom. Cordless drills are super convenient, perfect for those tight spaces. Now, voltage matters. Higher voltage means more power, but it also means a heavier drill and potentially shorter battery life. Find that sweet spot that balances power with portability. And don't forget about torque. That's the twisting force. You need plenty of torque for driving screws into tough wood or metal. Next, the chuck. Keyless chucks are super easy to use. Just pop in your bit and go. Keyed chucks are a bit more durable, but they require a key for those bit changes. And of course, the chuck size determines the biggest bit you can use. Speed and control are key. Variable speed is a must-have. It lets you adjust the speed for different materials. You don't want to burn through your wood, right? Some drills even have 2-speed gearboxes, perfect for drilling and driving. And don't forget the reverse function, essential for removing those stubborn screws. Now, let's talk ergonomics. A well-balanced drill is a happy drill. It reduces fatigue during those longer projects. A comfortable grip is a game changer. Look for features like LED lights to illuminate your work area and maybe even a belt clip for easy carrying. Finally, brand and warranty. Invest in a reputable brand known for quality and durability. And always check the warranty. It gives you that peace of mind. Bonus tip: consider your intended use. Are you a DIY enthusiast tackling weekend projects? Or are you a professional contractor requiring everyday use? This will help you determine the features and power level you truly need. So there you have it. 6 key factors to consider when buying a drill. Do your research, compare models, and choose the drill that's the perfect fit for your projects. If you want to see more videos like this, please like and share this video.